What's up, XRP family? What's up, crypto family? It's the Bagman back in the building. XRP Bags back with another video. How you guys doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. Stuffing those bags as we get ready for this new crypto framework to get put in place so we can hit these moonshots and blast off to moonshot 3. How's everybody doing? Let's jump into today's video. Got some bullish news that came out yesterday, not only from the US but also coming out of the EU. Let's go ahead and jump into this, guys.
It's different, but it's very pretty out here. I believe they're setting up the flag now.
We have here from Yahoo Finance and CoinDesk, a new bill proposes to put US crypto exchanges under a national framework. A new bill could bring cryptocurrency exchanges under a single federal framework. The Digital Commodity Exchange Act of 2020, introduced Thursday by Republican Michael Conway of Texas, seeks to create a federal definition of digital commodity exchanges, putting them in their very own legal category and charging the Commodity Futures Trading Commission's CFTC with oversight. And this was dropped September 24th, 2020. And also we have one coming out of the European Commission, officially proposes regulatory framework for crypto assets and stablecoins. It looks like we're getting regulation, and it looks like things are starting to heat up. We're getting some new crypto bills coming in hot. Let's go ahead and dive in deeper. If passed, the act would streamline a number of disparate cryptocurrency regulations in the US, creating legal clarity for token issuers and lowering the barrier to entry for exchanges hoping to operate in the compliant manner. The proposed legislation builds on the existing commodities market practices required of futures commission merchants. To protect customer assets, DCEs would be required to segregate customer assets and hold them in separately regulated entities which are licensed to custody digital assets, which is a summary of what the bill said. The DCA wouldn't create prescriptive rules on how exchanges can comply with the new law. Rather, it would describe the requirements and let exchanges themselves figure out the best way to meet those requirements. But we're proposing, first, a simplification of a multi-state money transmitter license regime, but second, a more appropriate regime which addresses all aspects of the businesses operating a trading venue. And we have some insights about ICOs and token offerings. The bill unlikely to pass before the upcoming election, but with its introduction, the general public can begin providing feedback or suggestions on how to improve a future congressional term. The introduction of this bill in this Congress is an important step in a process that is likely to play out more fully when the new Congress convenes in January. At this point, we expect to see the bill reintroduced, which would then allow for the process, including possibly hearings and then committee considerations. So they're thinking that this might take place after the elections, so we could see more of talk of this around January. The European Commission's officially proposed regulatory frameworks for crypto assets and stablecoins. This was also released yesterday. The European Commission has today officially proposed a regulatory framework for crypto assets and stablecoins after a leaked draft proposal went viral last week. The official proposal recommends a bespoke regime for crypto assets and stablecoins. Published Thursday night, highlights the need for a sound legal framework, clearly defining the regulatory treatment of all crypto assets that are not covered by the existing financial services station. 168-page official proposal. You guys can check that out. I'll have a link down below. 168 pages. Crypto assets, especially stablecoins, have the potential to become widely accepted, said the Commission. Hence, they would be subject to more stringent requirements regarding capital, investor rights, and supervision. The bespoke regime for crypto assets will ensure a high level of consumer and investor protection and market integrity by regulating the main activities related to crypto assets, said the Commission. Main activities such as crypto and wallet services. The bespoke regime will introduce specific requirements on e-money tokens, significant e-money tokens, asset reference tokens, significant asset reference tokens in order to address the potential risk to financial stability and monetary policy transmission can present. Finally, it will address the market fragmentation issues arising from the different national approaches across the EU. The Commission has today also proposed a regulatory sandbox to allow companies to test blockchain technology, trade, and settlement processes. Proposals are part of the Commission's newly adopted digital finance package. Package will boost Europe's competitiveness and innovation in the financial sector, paving the way for Europe to become a global standard setter, said the Commission. It will give consumers more choice and opportunities in financial services and modern payments, while at the same time ensuring consumer protection and financial stability. Guys, huge news coming out of both Europe and the United States on the same time, same day, about legal frameworks for cryptocurrencies, crypto exchanges, trading crypto stablecoins. I have the document right here, 168 pages. We have this leaked EU draft proposing laws for crypto assets. Europe's Market and Crypto Assets MICA drafts legislation provides legal certainty around crypto assets, cryptocurrencies, security tokens, and stablecoins. The takeaway is that Europe intends to treat crypto the same as any other regulated financial instrument, which will doubtless provide legal clarity. The unknown is whether that they might stifle the nascent and fast-moving space. The MICA proposal begins with a broad definition of crypto assets and a base set of rules that apply to the issuer of those assets and service providers. The latter is more or less in line with the financial action task, a particular focus on stablecoins in Europe, which are defined as either asset reference tokens or e-money tokens. By making crypto just like everything else in the traditional world, you make it easier for the traditional world to accept it. I would probably say from the draft that it will favor the banks and traditional investment firms. The incumbents will have an advantage in a number of respects, which I'm sure not the intention, but that will be the short to medium term impact. They're saying that the draft will favor banks and traditional investment firms. In sense, crypto has much benefited from the last decade from being largely in a gray area, but now you have a very clear set of rules and you're either in or outside of it. Guys, we have some huge news coming out about regulatory, possible legal frameworks, cryptocurrencies, crypto exchanges, stablecoins coming out of Europe, proposing regulatory framework for crypto assets and stablecoins, a new bill to put UX exchanges under a national framework coming out of Texas. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just wanted to go over those two articles about new legal framework coming in for cryptocurrencies. Looks like we have some regulation coming in, some new laws and bills being proposed, and they're thinking that this might be more push forward after the elections. We'll see what happens, guys. Just do what we do and continue to stuff our bags at these low prices. Let's go ahead and check out XRP really quick. XRP still ranging along here. XRP did have a 30% correction. We're still waiting for XRP to hit this 34-cent mark, so we'll just continue to stuff our bags at these prices, guys. It dropped down a little bit lower, but as far as the next few months going into next year, we're definitely going to be hitting these targets. We'll definitely hit this mountaintop, and we'll definitely be hitting all-time highs going into next year, if not this year. So we'll just continue to stuff our bags, guys. 30% correction. So yeah, I think we're just getting ramped up here. We got new legal frameworks coming in from Europe and the United States. Things are starting to heat up. The pandemic has definitely put some fire under this, and I think cryptocurrencies, blockchains is the next revolution that's coming. Just like the internet, this is the internet for money. I hope you guys all continue to stay bullish out there. I'm not a financial advisor, but you guys know I'm stuffing my bags with XRP, the best, the fastest, the most secure, most scalable, most cost efficient, eco-friendly. Send money anywhere in the world instantly. So that's pretty much it for this one, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, stay bullish out there. Stay strong. Keep on holding strong. Stay safe. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.
But I've heard you talk about Bitcoin 1,000 times, but I have to ask you, are you an owner in Ripple or XRP or both?
Well, Ripple is XRP is the Ripple currency. Yes, I'm an owner of Ripple or XRP. I'm an owner of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Tezos. I'm an owner of Aragon. I'm a believer. I think this is it's happening. It's coming. It's It's so important for the world, and I want the world to know it, and I want other people in the world to get on board.